are making Eggless Vanilla Sponge Cake. For this, we need curd, sugar, oil or purpose flour, pinch of salt, baking powder, baking soda, and vanilla essence. Put curd in the big bowl. Now put sugar in the big bowl. Now blend it. Let's add oil little by little while blending. Let's add some vanilla essence. Let's blend it again. Add some salt. I sieved all dry ingredients in a big bowl. Now I'm gonna add some of the dry ingredients in the curd and sugar. I'm going to mix with a spatula. And then mixing it, I applied butter on the pan and dusted all-purpose flour. Now I'm shifting my batter into the pan. Let's bake it for 30 minutes and at 250 degrees. My eggless cake is ready, and my mom just wanted to make some decorations with whipping cream and mangoes. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel.